Hello and good morning, everybody. How we doing? Today we have a bunch of things that we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and check out the car and what have they done to the car at SKM tuning. And we just finished the session, the trading session just now. It was an up and down day. It wasn't the best New York session for me. I did book a good trade on Top Step on a combine. We did get it halfway past, but on my other account on Tradeify, I did hit my daily loss limit for the day. It is okay though, it's fine. So just finished that session with Discord and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Alright, so we're on the way right now to SKM. He needs to get his car dialed in and finished up because it's not fully tuned yet. And I'm going there to just check out my car and see what they have done to it and what they have not done to it, because I don't know if my car has the crank hub done on it or not. So I should know by today. This vlog is gonna be 2 parts. So this is gonna be the first part where just basically me going checking out the car, and then the second part will be when I actually pick up the car. So this video will not be probably posted until I actually pick up the car. You can see right now we are on the road. We got this G-Wagon in front of us. Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to part 2. Today we're gonna be going and finally getting my car. Unfortunately, the cosmetics are being delayed a little bit because of the holidays and the New Year's. All these carbon parts are being delayed, especially carbon parts. They usually take a long time to get delivered. But everything from downpipes, from a charge pipe, from the spark plugs and the tune, everything should be done by the time that I go over there and check it out. Of course, I'm gonna go check it out, test drive it, see all the tune, if it's right, and if it's the thing that I like, obviously. But yeah, this is gonna be the part 2, and then we'll do another kind of video. I will do another video kind of later on when I go back, drop off the car, get the cosmetics done. I'll do it the same thing as I do it right now. I hope you guys kind of like this kind of video. And yeah, something else. I did get my first firearm weapon. I did get my first self-defense gun. Finally, after living in Texas for a bit of time now. I don't know if this is a good idea or no, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it here. So this is the gun that I got. It is empty right now. It already had an optic on it. It already had the muzzle on it, and it came with 4 different mags. So it came with 4 different mags. Obviously, mag has in right there. They're all extended mags. I did purchase just a normal one just so I can carry it on without it hurting me. I did get a Hollister for it too. And yeah, basically that's... And alright, chill the fuck out, chill the fuck out. Alright, we get it. The infamous turbo trades
Hi
we
guys,
got here.
welcome back to another video. Today we are
driving. We are going to SKM and pick up the car.
Yes.
Don't worry about it, man. You worry too much.
Fucking shit.
Definitely sounds. All right, guys, we're over here getting ZZ's car fully tuned. He's doing it.
Dialed up.
He's doing it from here. It's all good though. It sounds fucking crazy, but he's doing some investigation on his own.
I'm just trying to play with it because this is fucking boot mod 3. I never used before. I just used the MHD before, so I'm not familiar with this. I'm gonna try it out because it's like his kind of map, you know. It's a different map. It's his, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm more familiar with MHD, but we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, we'll see whichever one he likes more. It's either MHD or this one, but for me, I don't know the difference between the two, to be honest. The car does sound fucking good, to be honest, from here. It sounds really good. It's definitely spinning like crazy. Like we did the little push over there, it just fucking spins the whole time, which is really nice. Yeah. What you got to say?
I'm excited. You know, I'm excited. I'm hyped. Finally, after a long time of having this car, I finally be able to tune it and see the new world. You know,
see the new whip.
Whole new world.
See the whole new world in the whip. Alrighty, guys, we're headed out right now. We're gonna see how it feels. There's a fucking car honking right there, but. Sounds crazy as fuck. It sounds like actual gunshots in this bitch. His face says it all. His face says it all. Be careful, there's cops over here, by the way, so be careful. Oh yeah, it sounds good as fuck. That shit sound good as shit. What you think?
It's definitely faster. It's pushing about fucking 640.
It shows it right there, 640.
Fucking 640, so...
3, 2, and 1. It should turn green here. What? That light is red, that light is red. That light is green, never mind.
It just sucks that I gotta fucking adjust everything now because the tool kind of resets everything.
Let me zoom back. God damn. It's gonna be that way, but it's okay. Just take the next right. Oh, it's right here actually. God damn, it feels fucking faster than the first time. No, that shit feels way faster, yo. Give it a little. Oh.
I gotta change it.
Where's the pops? There it goes.
It's because so I had my M1 and my M2 adjusted how I wanted them, but with the tune it resets the whole kind of the ECU, it resets the brain of the car.
Yeah.
So I have to kind of play with it and get it back to the settings I had it.
The initial ones.
And that's why I wasn't able to hop in launch control earlier, because I thought it was my fucking settings already. But I can just adjust those settings.
Just after like you get everything, you gotta just program everything back together to it.
Probably just do it. So now we can.
You don't want to launch control here. Fender, not even, gang. Fender's not even touched. You're good. It's okay. Shit happened. Nothing got damaged. Both of us are not hurt. It's okay.
Alright, you guys probably saw what happened, and it is what it is. We are right now back on the way. Things happen in life, you know. Good things and bad things happen in life. You just gotta take it like a champ. You know what I mean? Take it. It's okay. There's a lot of good things, and if there is, that's life. You know, it's balanced out. Good outweighs the bad, bad outweighs the good. You know what I mean? In the end of the day, we're safe. We're both safe.
I think the way I look at it is like, one bad thing happens, two good things will come to you. It's the same day whenever I was trying to get my car tuned, my check engine light turned on. You know, and we still to this day have not gotten it fully figured out exactly what's going on. So one bad thing happens, good will come. Just move on, you know, it is what it is. We got too much motion to be worried about that shit, man.
On God, it's fine. It's just in the video you'll see that I got a little bit of emotional because I really love this car, because like I said back, I manifested this fucking car for a long time.
Well, why would you blame it? You dare motherfucker to blame it.
Yeah, and I waited so long to get it back, and you guys saw it. Obviously, first time ever, like, actually pushed that car and whatever, and I thought I could handle it, but fuck, I couldn't. It was too much. It was like 200 horsepower extra than what it was, because it was at 480. That's what it was saying, at least in the computer module in the car. But when I turned it on, it showed 640 or 680, 640, 680. So that's literally like 200 or 180 horsepower extra on top of that, and I didn't think it was too much.
For the motherfuckers that don't think that's a lot on a V6 BMW lightweighted car, bro. Has carbon on it all over. It's fucking lightweight, gang. Like, it's gonna spin. He was like, even when Z was driving it normal, just off the launch, it couldn't grip. So I don't even, like, I'm grateful that it wasn't that bad of damage, but bro, it's just really hard to control. Really hard.
Yeah, it's like, I put it in launch control. I wanted to see the power and the push of it, and I see the difference between when it was like when it was stock or was tuned before. What's the difference? And there's definitely a difference. Fuck me, there's definitely a difference, and we saw that. But that doesn't mean that's it. You know what I mean? It's fine. It's whatever. It is what it is.
It's not over until I win.
So, well, that's pretty much it, man. I hope you guys fucking liked the video. This is pretty much it. It's gonna be a part 2, part 1, part 2. I hope you guys liked the video. Please drop a comment below if you guys did, and don't forget to subscribe. It will help out a ton, and it just motivates me to not do what I did today, but just do better. But it doesn't matter. It happened. But it is what it is. We're safe. It's, in the end of the day, it's a metal, and we're good. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the other one.